So this is a recessed light right there, and I'm gonna show you how to take it apart and how to fix it. So what happens for me, those wires got pulled out while I was connecting it, so I had to resolder it. So I'll show you how to take it apart. So first of all, this was on the other side here, and I just unscrewed it with my screwdriver, just like this one here. I'm gonna unscrew it. Yeah, so I unscrewed it. Now you're gonna notice that this is all one piece. So this is all one piece. You cannot take it out from here or here. So the only way to take it out is from the top. So this plastic here comes off. But to come off, it has to be lined up. So if you look in here, in these holes, so
you don't have to be lined up, you can just take the screwdriver and pop it out.
yeah, my friend was telling me you don't even have to line it up, but there's a letter B in here, and on the other side there is a letter B, and line it up and then just pull out this plastic. And like I said, my friend told me that there is no need to line it up, but it just pops out.
Use a screwdriver.
Here you go. Oops, almost.
Why don't you hold it right and do it?
Okay, my friend is gonna come and help me out. Where's the screwdriver?
Where's the little screwdriver?
It's out there.
Oh, you dropped it in it.
So I got some help here to take that piece out.
You need the little screwdriver to actually do this. Like,
Here you go.
oh, so it's probably getting your hand into this.
Yeah,
That's the only spot. Yes.
that's how you take it out. So now you can access the panel in the LED light, and you can see where I soldered it here. And here is the notch and the other notch here. Okay, thank you everybody, and that's how you repair it. Thanks to Jeff for helping me out.